good, guys? So I'm going to hit you with a quick little update on NIO today. So what we're looking for here is that pullback. We need a higher low. The trend that is currently going on in NIO is a downtrend because we have started from a high, right? Made a low, a lower high, a lower low, a lower high, lower low, a lower high, etc. Right? We made a lower low. Now we made a higher high compared to this one. Now we want to see a higher low because that would signify that the trend has changed. So are we going to make that higher low? We need to see if that's going to happen. That's why I use the fibs a lot, because when I'm using the fibs, I use it to measure the pullback. So we had this nice impulsive move from the bottom of this falling wedge triangle pattern, right? So the falling wedge, catch the bottom, and we use the fibs from the bottom to the top, and then we drag it out. So we want it to hold the 0.382, but it didn't. It happened to bounce off this GP area a few times, but we want to see, is it going to hold? The bearish volume is still present here. Now we need to start looking, all right, is it going to hold this 34 level? If it doesn't create a higher low right now, right? If it doesn't create this higher low that we want to see, is it going to hold this 34 level? If not, then what I'm thinking is this could still very well be in play in NIO, where it just wants to fizzle out and then come lower towards this $28, $27 area. So when I invert the chart, it does look like it wants to go up. So it's in an area right now where it looks more weak than it does strong, to be honest, right? Remember we have that head and shoulders pattern just waiting, and we're just waiting for it to play out at this point. Tech names have been stalling, right? The momentum tech names have been just stalling the past few months. We might just need that long period of consolidation in tech and in all these EV hype momentum names. And then eventually, once they get beaten up so much, the big money is going to want to flow right back into them. So it's kind of frustrating, sure, to see like, man, I can't even get a swing on NIO. But what I have learned over the past few weeks is, look, if you do want to swing, it has to be a short-term trade. All these short-term swings that have been provided over the past few weeks have been just like short holds, like not like multiple week swings. It's more like a few day hold, catching a nice 20% move. That's what I've been noticing. So I might have to switch that up in my style and make my swings a little bit shorter. So that's what I'm looking for in NIO. That's the breakdown this week, guys. Peace.